This is the planning briefing for Sunday, October 23rd. We've got a very active winter-like pattern continuing. We have mountain snow, valley rains Monday to Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have another snow system with snow levels even down to 2,000 feet potentially. And a late weekend system could see more mountain snow. And not written here, but there could be a potential for atmospheric river to start November with wind and higher snow levels. Looking at the satellite loop, we've got upper level low spinning over the Gulf of Alaska. There's a weather front extending south and west over the northeastern Pacific. This is looking at the evolving weather pattern over the next few days. We've got several waves that are just diving south and eastward from the Gulf of Alaska. These systems have a lot of cold air aloft, and they're bringing in Pacific moisture. So snow levels are lower. Just looks like a good mountain snow sort of pattern. Looking at just the probabilities for Tuesday, we're looking at the low, average, high, and probable precip for Tuesday. So left picture is showing like probably a good forecast for the valleys because there's going to be some downsloping. So this is like the lower end. The higher end, the 75th percentile, would be better for the mountains. So the takeaways here is going to be a good pattern for the mountains, Clearwater Mountains, Swan Range, Missions, Glacier Park. More snowfall on Tuesday. And snow levels will range from 3,000 over northwest Montana early Tuesday, rise a little bit, and then also some areas in north central Idaho in the upslope locations could have snow levels down to 3,000 feet, then rising during the day a little bit. And then some areas further to the south, snow levels will be more 4,500 feet. Here's some probability maps for snow totals. This is 24 hours ending Tuesday evening, just showing high probability for the mountains getting at least 1 inch and 2 inches and possibly greater than 4 inches. Bitterroot Spine, northern Clearwater Mountains, Missions, and points northeastward. Here's a weather story just showing cool and wet week, series of weather systems, snow levels going up and down each day. And then by Wednesday, even snow levels down to 2,000 feet potentially, as a low dive south of north central Idaho. Looking at the weather impact overview, basically looking at snow, even down in some of the valley locations, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Could be moderate impact north central Idaho. Later Monday into Tuesday, and then Wednesday potentially could be moderate. The confidence is not high right now, but that low digging south of north central Idaho, that's a good snow pattern even for some of the lower elevations. So in summary, active winter pattern continues. Wednesday there could be another system even down the lower elevations. After a dry period Thursday through Saturday, we have another system Sunday, Monday with more mountain snow. Could be snow levels down to 4,000 feet. And then for the start of November, there is a potential for an atmospheric river, and that would mean higher snow levels, chance of rain, maybe even strong winds. And if you remember from last year, about November 15th of last year, we had a high wind event. So it's kind of interesting that we're seeing another potential event down the road.